want a powerful, free voice, but you are secretly doing one daily habit that is destroying that free voice. And it's so common. Today, I'm going to be talking about this habit, and I'm going to show you how to break it before it breaks your voice. So you have to stay with me till the end of the video so that you would learn how to break such habits so that you can have that powerful voice that you never dreamed of. One of my students, he had a bright future. When he sings songs, his voice is beautiful, but he usually cracks halfway through. And he thought that maybe something was wrong with his throat. He thought that maybe he was sick, but he never knew that it was the habit of pushing his voice from the throat instead of supporting it with breath. And that mistake caused strain, it caused tightness, it caused pain. It caused that whenever he sings, he'll be seeing strain here in his neck. But by the time we retrained his breath and posture, the sound became effortless. He was able to expand his range in just few sections with us. So what is the tip that we showed him? The first is that we made him to understand that habit of throat singing is wrong. You should use breath singing. Throat singing is that you're using tension, strain. It will seem like it's coming from here. We going up. I don't want to try it. It's a hurtful. And when you finish singing like that for a while, you will feel pain here. Or you're forcing the sound out. You're getting to. It's wrong. You don't do that. Rather, you support your voice with your breath. Imagine your breath as an engine. Imagine your breath like a steady pressure that is supporting your voice. Okay, like as you're sitting down on a chair, if that chair does not have legs, do you think the chair will stand? The same thing with your voice. Support your voice from the breathing muscles. We're going up, up. Okay? Because when you support it, you get freedom, you have resonance. If you check this video here where I have about how to connect your breath to your voice, go and watch it. Because when you connect your breath to your voice, it will make you to be able to sing the breath singing, not trip singing. And the halfway of your singing, your voice will not crack. Another thing I even tell our students is that use it when you speak so that it becomes a part of you. Let me give you a quick test. Place your hand on your stomach. Now, if it is not moving in when you're singing, you're properly doing the throat singing. Above all powers. Mine is moving. My own is moving. Check yours. If it's not moving A, not moving out, I don't want the one that is to be going out. I want it to be moving A. And as it's moving in, it should be steady. Above all powers. Above all kings. Like that. Now, the second thing that is actually making you to break the second habit is that singing too loudly in every practice, every time that you're practicing. And you're shouting. No, don't do that. It's destroying your voice. Rather, if you need to increase your volume, you project. You support it. One trick is just by making your eyes bright. Kings. And then if I want to make it soft, I make my eyes soft. no created things. Mhm. Another thing is you have long rehearsals and you are not warming up. You just have a rehearsal and you just start singing like that. It's not good. It can destroy your voice. So you need to actually warm up that voice. Prepare the voice for the long rehearsal. It's just like someone who wants to run. You're an athlete, you want to run, and you don't prepare your voice. You don't warm up your body as an athlete. You will definitely stop halfway. So for your voice, your voice is like an athlete, because if you see your vocal folds are always opening and closing. They're always working. So you need to make sure that they are properly oiled up before you embark on a long rehearsal. Another habit that is causing you to destroy your voice is that you're mimicking singers with voices totally different from yours. You have your own unique voice, and then you hear somebody singing, you're trying to sing like that person. You're destroying your voice. Don't try to sing like someone, try to sing like you. And how do you sing like you? You study that work. A student of mine asked me, okay, you told me I should sing like me. How can I sing like me in this song? Because this song is by a man. So how can I sing it? Now, the trick we tell our students is that you study the song, you check out the different voice registers that they are using to actually sing that song. And then you take note of it and understand your own voice registers. We always make our students to understand the several voice registers. So, with that voice register that you have laid, you would now look at, okay, he used his chest voice here. Say you apply your own chest voice there. And then you say, okay, here you switch to a mixed voice. You will now switch to your own mixed voice. Do you see that? So don't mimic singers, don't mimic other. Rather study what they sound and try to adapt it to your own unique voice. When you are able to do that, you will not destroy your voice. Your voice will ever be ever great, year in, year out. Now let's look at the song, my favorite song, Amazing Grace. Use this trick inside smile. Like I'm looking like someone and I don't want the person to know I'm looking at them. And they push from the throat. Now, if you push it from your throat, it's going to be Amazing Grace. Now, when you take it, open up as if there's a hole at the back of your tongue. Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound. Did you see how easy that was? That saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. When you have support, you would rarely destroy your voice. If you have this support and you want to learn how you can stop copying singers, then you need to watch this next video.